Mauritius is famous for an incredible optical illusion that looks like an underwater waterfall off the coast of Lemoine. Seeing it from a helicopter is a bucket list experience you will never forget. The island is surrounded by the world's third largest coral reef, making the snorkeling absolutely top tier. You can see the 7 colored earths, which are sand dunes in 7 distinct colors that never mix. It is a luxury honeymoon destination that feels like paradise. Like this video if you want to see the underwater waterfall and subscribe for more island magic.